Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you gaming enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Cowabunga collection for PS4. A gaming collection that's creating quite a buzz in the gaming community. Stick around because we'll explore why this might just be the best graphics game on PS4 currently available in the market. Hey there, fellow gamers! Let's kick things off by giving you an overview of this exciting collection. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Cowabunga collection is a dream come true for fans of the legendary Turtles. It brings together 13 classic TMNT games developed by Konami into one fantastic package. Just take a look at this beauty. With stunning graphics and a sleek design, this collection is a collector's dream. It's available for the PlayStation 4, rated teen, and comes in the standard edition. So, what's inside this epic collection, you ask? Well, prepare to be blown away. You get 13 games spanning various platforms, including the NES, Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis, Game Boy, and even arcade classics. From the original arcade hit to gems like Turtles in Time, The Manhattan Project, and Tournament Fighters, this collection has it all. Plus, it includes 11 Japanese regional versions for those who crave the authentic experience. But it's not just about nostalgia. This collection adds a modern twist to the classics. You can enjoy added online play for select games and local couch play for some good old-fashioned fun with friends. And here's the kicker: you can save anytime, rewind your gameplay, and even customize button mappings. It's like having a time machine for your gaming experience. But wait, there's more. The Cowabunga collection doesn't stop at the games themselves. You'll also find unique development art and sketches, historic TMNT media content, and a ton of bonus material that will make any true TMNT fan swoon. Dive into the Turtle Lair section, where you can explore original manual and box art, old ads, promo items, and listen to an incredible collection of TMNT music. Now, let's see what fellow gamers are saying about this collection. It's always important to hear from those who've experienced it firsthand. As you can see, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Cowabunga collection has been receiving rave reviews from players. It's no surprise, given the rich gaming history these titles bring to the table. Wrapping it up, folks, if you're a fan of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, or just a gamer looking for a fantastic collection of classic titles with modern features, this is a must-have. The stunning graphics, extensive game library, and additional content make it a stellar addition to any gaming collection. That's all for today's review of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Cowabunga collection for PS4. Don't miss out on this opportunity to relive the turtle power. Grab your copy today and get ready to immerse yourself in nostalgia while enjoying the best graphics games on PS4. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on our future reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy gaming, and Cowabunga, dudes!